Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos that I will regularly upload. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, it is said that the entire universe and the world we live in is created by God itself. Not only trees, plants and animals are part of nature, but in fact human beings are also part of the nature. However, all the things created by God are beautiful, but the most beautiful creation is human beings. But in humans also there are some people in the world which are totally unique, and even though they look strange, but one can consider them as special children of God. So do watch the video till the end, as in this video I am going to tell about the 5 most strange people in the world. So let's start the video. So the first person which comes in this list is Bayezid Hussein. There are many people in the world who have faced very strange diseases, and these diseases are like in which even today's doctors haven't found any cure for them. This 4-year-old child who stays in Bangladesh is a victim to such strange disease, due to which at this age only he looks as an old person. This child's name is Bayezid Hussein, who has got an rare type of disease called progeria, and because of this disease the aging process of a person happens 8 times faster than normal. Also, the person who faced this condition are not able to live more than 13 years. Due to this disease, only at the age of 4 only he looks like an old human being. Hussein cannot go to school because other children get feared of being close to him. Hussein's parents have sold their entire property for the treatment of Hussein, but doctors were unable to treat his condition, and Hussein's parents believe that one day their child will be able to live normal life like other children. Baby Hong Hong. There are many people in the world who have 6 fingers in their hands and legs, but a child in China whose name is Hong Hong and is only 4 months old has in total 31 fingers in his body. 15 fingers are of hands while 16 fingers of legs, but the most strange thing is that in his body there is no thumb. Moreover, in each hand there are 2 palms. The medical condition which is responsible for this is polydactylism. Hong Hong's mother also has 12 fingers. The occurrence of this condition in humans is 1 out of 1000, in which people mostly have 1 or more in one hand or leg, but the case of Hong Hong is completely different. The Guinness World Record for child born with maximum fingers in the world was in the name of India's Akshat Saxena, who was born in the year 2010, and later his surgery took place in his body. There was in total 34 fingers. The reason of polydactylism is this condition occurs without an apparent cause, while some may be due to genetic defect or underlying hereditary syndrome. Third one which comes in this list of most strange people in the world is Zia Huanhai. This strange looking man lives in village Lao Tu in Chongqing, China, whose face is looking like an alien. The name of this 53-year-old person is Zia Huanhai. He became victim to hyperplasia, a condition in which the increase in amount of organic tissue resulting due to sudden increase of cells. At start he did not give attention to this thing, not he did any treatment, because at that time this disease was affecting very slowly, but now it has become very scary, as because of this condition he cannot hear also. According to doctors, Zia's face tissue has increased so much, because of which he has facial hyperplasia. It is told that due to this medical disorder the tissue in the face increases more and more. Also, this strange disease has caused to break Zia's teeth, and as I told earlier, he has lost his hearing ability. The brother of Zia said that earlier when doctors asked to perform a surgery, at that time he did not have any money, but now he has collected funds for the disease, and Zia now wants to live a normal life like the others. Number 4. The Lady with Horns. Generally, horns are found in cow, bull, rhino or some other animals. Now what if I say to you that humans also have horns? You won't believe, but this is 100% true. A lady who lives in China who is 101 years old and her name is Zhang Ruifang. She has a horn in her head which looks similar to that of animals. This horn is made of compacted keratin material in which same proteins are there from which our nails and hair is made. Also, this is same for animals. Her family is worried about her very much, but Zhang does not have any problem or pain with this, and in fact she is happy that earlier no one used to meet her, but because of this horn people used to come and see her, and she is happy with the horn. The length of this horn has increased over 6 centimeter, and on the other side of her head also same horn is been growing. By the way, Zhang has been waiting for that day in which the other horn will grow as much as the first horn. But the strange thing is that this horn was not there from childhood. According to her children, recently only rough skin appeared at her head, and from there on it grew into a fully grown horn. This incident has shocked everyone because no one in the world has an answer to this. The next in this list comes Joseph Merrick. Joseph Merrick was that kind of person whose disease is still a mystery even today. Today, even after 126 years of his death, scientists believe that Joseph had that kind of disease whose correct answers no one has even today. He is also called Elephant Man and is famous by that name. His head and body structure was in very bad condition. It is also said that the change in his body happened from young age itself. When Joseph was 11 years old, at that time his mother died and father married another woman. Also his family left him. He faced problems from starving from hunger and even getting a job. Luckily, he got a job in a workhouse and worked there for 4 years. After that, in 1884, Joseph talked to a showman, Sam Torr, and he made a group, after which Joseph's acting was shown in London. So during that show itself, surgeon Frederick Treffs saw Joseph, and Frederick took him into the London hospital, and for the rest of his life, Joseph stayed there only. At the age of just 27 years, Joseph died. At that time, many doctors examined his body, but the reason for his damaged head, bent backbone, damaged skin, and very big head could not be found. Scientists believe that from Joseph's bone DNA, it could be found out about which disease he had. But to take that DNA from the bones of Joseph, scientists failed because Joseph's bones were kept in such a manner that to take DNA there came many problems, due to which scientists were never able to find out what disease he had. In the medical history, it remained a mystery about what disease he had. So this was about 5 strange people in the world. However, if you all like this video, do press the like button. Also do share and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos that I will regularly upload.